Good evening, Sir Romeo. Now let's proceed to the chapter 15, flood frequency, probability, and stochastic methods. Flood frequency. Flood frequency for the annual flood data of Lower Tapti River of Ukay 30 years from 1939 to 1968. An example on the next slide, the flood frequency of 2, 10, 50, 100, 200, and 100 years flood have been worked out below the probability methods developed by Fuller, Gumbel, Powell, Ventecho, and stochastic methods, and the flood frequency curves are drawn on a semi-long paper as shown in the next slide. And this is the Fuller's formula. The QT, which is the discharge total, and the Q times 1 plus 0.8 log T is from the table like this. And this table is, we can use the Excel para dire-diretso tayo at mapadali yung pagko-compute natin. And this is the Fuller's formula. And the next one is the Gumbel's method. According to the extreme value distribution, the probability of occurrence of flood peak is greater than discharge is given by the reduced variety y is given by p is equal to 1 minus e raised to negative y. And this is the y is equal to 0.84 minus 2.30 log t over t minus 1, where xt is equal to log t over t minus 1. And to reduce the variety y is linear with the variety discharge annual flood peak itself is given by the y is equal to gamma n times discharge minus discharge initial minus gamma plus y sub n, whereon reduce the standard deviation and y and reduce mean to model are function of the sample size and are given in the table 15.1. And this is the other formula for reduce the variety of y linear with the variety of discharge. And for the second approach naman, for a given recurrence interval t, to find the annual flood peak, discharge will be equal or exceeded, for which the following sequence of tabulation should follow. The computation are made for Lower Tapti River at Ukay. And this is the example of the table for Lower Tapti River at Ukay. Ayan, naka-indicate dyan, pati yung mga formula, pati yung mga values for P, QT, K, Y, and XT. And it is for the 1,000 years. From 2 to 1,000 years. And the third method is Powell methods. A modification in value of K in equation 15.6. It is 15.6 figure was made by the R.W. Powell on 1943. And this is the formula for the K and also for the Q discharge, and also naka-indicate din dito yung table para makuha natin ang Lower Tapti River at Ukay as per Powell method. Ayan. Okay. And the fourth one was Ventecho method. Another modification of Gumbel's method was made by V.T. Cho by using the frequency factor. The equation also is there. Ayan, naka-indicate siya sa 15.12, 15.12, 13, and naka-indicate dito yung mga formula how to use it. Like A, B is equal to parameter estimated by method of moment for observed data. Also, in this method, is a plotting position has been assigned for each value of discharge when arranged in the descending order or magnitude of flood peaks. And this is the computation is made for Lower Tapti River at Ukay. Computation for determining using Ventecho method. Yeah. It is order number from 1 to 30 only. At yan, makikita natin yung pagkakasunod-sunod nila, yung from ascending to descending. Just like what I said earlier. And the flood frequency curve of Lower Taipei at Kukai from 1939 to 1968, substituting the value from 426.27 is equal to 30A minus 16B to negative 392.30 is equal to 16A plus 18.04B. Solving the equation using the A is equal to 494, B is equal to negative 17.4. Then, after all that, the computation are made for the Lower Taipei River at Ukay as per the Antichow method below. At nandito rin siya from 2 to 100 to 1,000 years rather. Naka-indicate dyan kung paano kinuha yung XT natin, yung QT, and yung T. Now, may I call on Mr. Jeff Entreliso to proceed the stochastic method.
Hello everyone. 15.2 stochastic method. Next slide please. So what is stochastic method? Stochastic method. The methods described earlier were either probabilistic or deterministic and did not consider the element of time, which is possible only by the stochastic approach. The concept was introduced in the USA by the notable hydrologists such as Yavievic and Bentecho and others. And one of the well-known equations based on annual flood data using Poisson probability law and theory of sum of random numbers of variable is itong nakikita nyo equation sa PPT. Yung QT equals Q minimum plus 2.3 times Q minus Q minimum log N sub F over N times T. So, ano nga ba tong QT? Yung QT na tinutukoy dito, yung ay flood discharge for our return period T. Yung QM naman ay minimum recorded flood. Yung Q naman ay average annual flood discharge. Yung NF ay number of recorded flood. Counting only one for the same flood peak occurring in different years. At ang muling naman yung N or the number of years of record. Next slide. Computations are made by using EQ, equation 15.17 for the Lower Taipei River at Ukay. So, ayun nga, yung makikita natin dito, yung table sa baba ay isang example ng computation using the stochastic method. Tulad dito, QT equals 3.68 plus 2.3 times 14.21 minus 3.68 log 30 over 30 times T. Yan yung nakuha nating flood discharge ay 3.68 plus 24.26 log T. Itong table ay pinapakita yung calculated discharge for various return period sa iba't ibang years. Tulad nito dito sa 1,000 years, yung QT dito ay 76.46. Sa 200 years ay 59.68. Sa 100 years, 52.20, etc. etc. The highest annual flood peak attained in the lower Tapti River during 1876 to 1968 was 42.5 TCM. From figure 15.1, yung pinakita kanina, the 100-year flood given by Gambel's method is 49.21 TCM. At sa Powell's method, 44.61 TCM. Sa Foster type 1 naman ay 45.46 TCM. Sa Chau's doon naman sa Chau's ay 46.04 TCM. And sa stochastic method, yung pinakita yung lumabas ay 52.20. So, ang pinapakita lang dito ay yung comparison ng iba't ibang method sa this comparison highlights the difference in prediction between various methods, showing the relatively higher prediction from the stochastic method. And that's all for my report. And may I call on Mr. Edison Mendoza.
So thank you, Mr. Enrolizo. So next, 15.3, stochastic modeling by the partial duration series. Next slide. Stochastic modeling provides information and forecast results that take into consideration varying degrees of randomness or unpredictability. Stochastic modeling is used by analysts, planners, and portfolio managers in the financial services industry to optimize portfolios and manage assets and liabilities. Next slide. Example of stochastic model. Flood data in the form of partial duration series and annual flood peaks for the Ganga River at Hardwar for a period of 87 years from 1885 to 1971 are given in tables 15.4 that's shown later and 15.5 respectively. The base low for the partial duration series may be taken as 4,333, which was accepted as the bank full discharge in the design of Ware at Bingoda. Derive the flood frequency curves based on the two series by using the stochastic models. Make a comparative study with the other methods based on annual floods discussed earlier. Note: partial duration series data for the lower Tapti River at UKAI could not be obtained, and hence flood data for the Ganga River is given here. Next slide. So here's the table 15.4 that said in the problem that partial duration series of floods for the river Ganga at Hardwar during 1885 to 1971. So the base low is 4,333 and the Q is flood peak. So here's the table. Next slide. So here's the annual peak discharges for Ganga River at as hardware for the period 1885 to 1971. So here's the table. Next slide. So the solution. The histogram of annual flood peaks for the Ganga River at Hardwar for the period 1885 to 1971, 87 years, is shown in figure 15.2. The computation of the cumulative frequency curve is made in table 16 as shown below. It is seen that the distribution of floods do not have the normal bell-shaped curve, but they are skewed. However, the data can be transformed by plotting the common logarithm of the flood peaks so that the distribution density curve is approximately normal as shown in figure 15.3. This is then called a log normal distribution, and the standard deviation is in logarithmic units. The histogram of the partial duration series of the flood peaks above the selected base of 4,333 UMIC is shown in 15.4, which also repeats good data. So here's the table. The computation of the cumulative frequency curve. So that's all for my report.
And now that's the chapter 15, flood frequency, probability, and stochastic methods. Thank you, sir.